Hey everyone, wanted to share something with you that has been a great help to me in my marriage. Basically, it's a product called Heister Mobile, and what it does is it allows you to download to someone's phone and find out what it is that who they're texting, who they're talking to. You can record conversations, and you can also record and listen to the surroundings wherever they're at any time. And let me just tell you exactly what happened to me. I was in a marriage for 2 years, and I thought it was a happy marriage. It seemed happy to me. But after a while, I started seeing my wife doing some things that you would see on cheaters. And I started getting a little suspicious. She was staying out late, working late, and just things that just didn't seem right to me. And in my spirit, in my gut, I knew that just it wasn't right. So I was looking for something that I can, pretty much spy on her with, and not that I wanted to, but I needed to know for my own self. And I found Heister Mobile online, and this application is absolutely wonderful. I was able to listen to the fact that she was cheating on me, her talking to another man, and what they were planning on doing that night and other nights. And I heard her was able to find out what kind of text messages they were texting back and forth, because every time I got her phone she would delete her text messages, but with this software I would be able to find out exactly what her text messages were before she deleted them. And at any given time I was able to find out exactly what kind of conversation she was and where she was at, and listen to her surroundings. So I found out a lot of information, and needless to say, I'm filing for divorce right now. And if it wasn't for this software, Heister Mobile, I wouldn't be able to know for a fact in my gut that my suspicions were absolutely correct. So if you're in a situation like that or a scenario like that, I definitely highly recommend that you use this product. It's helped me, and it will help you too. Now what I'm doing with it is I'm using it with my teenage son, who is in the situation to where he's exposed to people who are smoking weed and doing all kinds of bad things. And with this device, I was able to keep track of him and let him know that I'm watching, and letting him know that he can't get away with some of the things that normal teenagers would get away with. So it's been a great help to me. It saved me from going down a longer road with someone that I thought was in love with me, and it's also helped me with my teenage son as well. So if you're looking to do things along those lines, highly recommend this product. You need to get it. It's definitely will save you from embarrassment, and also confirm maybe if your wife is not cheating with you at all, or if your son is out there doing something bad or not. So definitely check out this product. You're not going to be disappointed at all. Thank you so much. Bye for now.